the Wyoming Valley West Spartans, and we went to Pride Mobility to see how power chairs are made.
Pride Mobility? What is Pride Mobility? It's a company that we manufacture mobility devices for individuals who need assistance. And so we do anywhere from lift chairs to scooters to lift and ramp to high-end quantum rehab.
We are now a world leader in what we do.
But we deliver all over the U.S. and we deliver to different countries around the world.
The company as a whole is a family-oriented type of company. I know just about everybody's name on that production floor, and again, it's just a really inviting, supportive company to work for.
My favorite part of the job is making a difference in someone's life. I myself have personal experience because I have two siblings, a brother and sister, who have multiple sclerosis. So I've seen them struggle to get around. This is their way of having transportation. It's almost like, you know, a football team or a basketball team or a baseball team. We have individuals that work the stations, but it's every individual doing their part as a team to make us successful.